Let us solve for x and y. Given x plus y is equal to 6, sy is equal to 46. Here, x plus y is equal to 6. Let us call this equation 1. Sy is equal to 46. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, x plus y is equal to 6. Let us make y the subject of the formula. 6 minus x is equal to y. Let us call this equation 3. Then from equation 2, xy is equal to 46. Let us substitute for y, which is 6 minus x. X bracket 6 minus x is equal to 46. Let us open the bracket. X multiplied by 6, 6x. X multiplied by minus x minus x squared is equal to 46. 6x minus x squared minus 46 is equal to 0. Let us put this in standard form. Minus x squared plus 6x minus 46 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Then we have x squared minus 6x plus 46 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 46, s is equal to minus bracket minus 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 46 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus times minus 6. This is 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 squared. This is 36 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 46. That is 184 divided by 2. S is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 184. That is minus 148 divided by 2. This can be written as 6 plus or minus square root of minus 148 can be written as 4 multiplied by 37 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2. S is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. Square root of minus 1 is I root 37 divided by 2. And this can be written as 6 divided by 2 plus or minus 2I root 37 divided by 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 3. S is equal to 3 plus or minus I square root of 37. Then x1 is equal to 3 plus I square root of 37, and s2 is equal to 3 minus I square root of 37. These are the values of x. We've gotten the values of s. Let us solve for y. To solve for y, from equation 3, y is equal to 6 minus x. y1 is equal to 6 minus s1 is 3 plus I root 37. Then y2 is equal to 6 minus 3 minus I square root of 37. y1 is equal to 6 minus 3 minus I root 37. If you open the bracket with this negative, y1 is equal to 6 minus 3. This is 3 minus I square root of 37. This is the value of y1. y2 is equal to 6 minus 3 plus I square root of 37. y2 is equal to 6 minus 3. This is 3 plus I square root of 37. This is the value of y2. Therefore, our final answer are s1, y1 is equal to 3 plus I root 37, 3 minus I root 37. s2, y2 is equal to 3 minus I root 37, 3 plus I root 37. These are the corresponding value of x and y. We've gotten the values of x and y. Let us check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. You can see that the value of s1 here is equal to the value of y2 here, and the value of y1 here is equal to the value of s2 here. To check, we have the given equation. S plus y is equal to 6. Sy is equal to 46. Let us consider this. S plus y can be written as 3 plus I square root of 37 plus 3 minus I square root of 37 must be equal to 6. This cancel this. We have 3 plus 3 must be equal to 6. 3 plus 3, this is 6, is equal to 6, which is true. Xy, this can be written as 3 plus I root 37 multiplied by 3 minus I root 37 must be equal to 46. 3 times 3, this is 9, minus 3 times I root 37, this is 3I root 37 plus I root 37 multiplied by 3, 3I root 37. Then I root 37 multiplied by minus I root 37, this is I root 37 multiply by minus I root 37. This is minus I square multiply by 37 must be equal to 46. This cancel this. We have 9 minus I square multiplied by 37 must be equal to 46. 9 minus I square is minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied by 37 must be equal to 46. This is 9 plus 37 must be equal to 46. 9 plus 37, this is 46, is equal to 46, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Bye.